Okay, for the refrigerator, we have a nice large refrigerator and freezer. Right on the top here, you'll see that if it's on the bottom, if it's down, it's on, and if it's sticking up, it's off. So on and off. Okay, if I want to, but if I'm going on a trip, I'm going to keep it on all the time. Okay, so over here, it's whether you are plugged in or whether you're using propane gas. So if we're going on a short trip, we'll just keep it on propane gas, which means the button is up, like that. If I'm charged in, let's say I'm at a RV resort and I have hookups, I'm gonna put it into auto because I can use their electricity. So then I'm gonna make sure it's on auto, and then you're not using your gas. Okay, so those are the buttons. For the freezer, make sure you press and then pull. And there's a nice size freezer in there for your drinks on the side. And then when you close it, it snaps. And then if you forget and you want to get something out right away, you can't, because the vacuum, it sucks in the air. So you have to wait 15 seconds for the freezer to open it again. Okay, and the refrigerator, same thing. There's a button right here, so you press and pull. You can do that easily with one hand. And then you have 4 layers, 4 shelves, and 2 drawers at the bottom for your veggies, your fruit. And then on the side door, there's 3 levels that you can put your drinks in. Okay. And again, make sure you click it. That way when you're driving, it doesn't open on its own. So again, now the freezer, I can push and then pull the handle and get what I need. And that's the refrigerator.